Alright everyone, so you're on step 16, you're ready to submit this document to Schoology. Here's how you do it. So the first way that you can do that is if you're currently in the OneNote online notebook, if you were to go to File, you'll notice there's no feature over here that lets you export your file. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go to Edit in OneNote, this little option over here, and click Open OneNote 2016. So opening the desktop version of OneNote will allow you to then in your file menu have a new option that is export. So what you have to do to get this to Schoology on the PC is you're going to download it to OneNote 2016, then click export, and you're going to have a couple of file types. We're going to send this as a PDF file. So you'll have to go down from a OneNote file to PDF, and you're going to then click export. It will then say, hey, where would you like to put this? So we're going to put this in our OneDrive. So we'll have to go to the desktop. You'll have to go, this PC, you'll have to go down to your OneDrive app. After double clicking, you're going to save this to your Computer App Life folder, and you're going to save that to your OneDrive over here as a PDF document. After saving it as a PDF document, it will have all your handwriting that you've done on the documents, and from there, you're then going to go over to Schoology, and you're going to go over to upload that. So over here, I'm going to go over to Schoology just to model it for you guys. So let's say you were in my course and you had an assignment over here that was, by chance assignment 1.1. You'd go over to assignment 1.1. And over here, you guys have a button that says upload submission. You'll click upload submission. And upon uploading that submission, you are going to see some sort of document that says over here file. You're going to click file, and then you're going to go over to your OneDrive, and from your OneDrive you guys should have just saved this PDF file. So you're going to find where you save that PDF file, and you're going to upload that to your OneDrive. So in my case, I uploaded this PDF file to this folder. I would then click open, and then that would be uploaded. So that's how you upload from your OneNote notebook that you've annotated, that you've drawn on, to your OneDrive and then to Schoology. The next video is going to say how to do it on your iPad.